Alright, on my way to work, I'm counting down the days until I'm on my own, I guess. Cowabunga Studios is progressing quite rapidly now that we have a new programmer on board, which I'm excited about. Rewritten basically the entire code base, which kind of small as far as code goes. It's maybe 1,500 lines probably at this point. Nothing too major, but what we are able to do is to put together design documents pretty rapidly. There's still a few bugs and kinks that we got to work out of the model, the code, to make all of our modeling work well and to really speed up the rate at which devices can be put in the model. Got receptacles pretty much down pat. There's a few things we need to work out within it. Light fixtures, we've got a little bit of work to do to make sure that all the ceilings are found effectively within the model, so that they get placed. But once that ceiling's found, we're able to do our layouts and get everything put in pretty well, which again I'm pumped about. And then we'll look to get these few things ironed out, and then we're gonna push towards the next piece, which is a license server, so that we're able to bring to each and every one of you the ability to put together these documents on your own without coming through Cowabunga Studios and really going to a software as a service product. And this is unlike any other design software that you've ever seen. We're able to really drop out hundreds of hours of time from projects. What other design software like an Illum Tools, a SKM, even Revit itself are doing, and then some like the IBWave and a few of those programs, what they effectively are doing is all the calculations, right? They're not doing any of the actual production work. So nothing moves you closer to the final product, which is a set of construction documents. Everything is telling you how you should lay it out, not actually doing the layouts. So this is what Cowabunga Studios is moving towards, is actually giving you something that's a deliverable worthy product. Eventually we'll move into some of the technology pieces and be able to model and host those within rooms and really expand upon the feature sets. I've got a lot of thoughts, a lot of ideas on where we're going in the next few years, and I'm excited to continue to evolve this product and release it to the community and all of the engineers really in the building industry. This is unlike anything that we've seen, and something that will just, I can't stress enough the time saver that this creates. Obviously there's some pieces that we have to work out so that we give you a great product, and once that happens, we'll be off to the races. I just see so many firms that especially like electrical engineers, we're hard to find. There's not many of us, and that puts a real strain on the few that are in the industry to either get work done or manage pieces. It can be overwhelming, really, and that it's not just engineers and people with a license, it's also designers and people that just know what they're doing. So it's not even just the credentials, it's also people that have been in the industry, people that understand how to do electrical design, be it lighting layouts, panel schedules, circuit feeds, cable sizing, all those pieces. So it's something that throughout the industry we're seeing difficulties of firms being able to find electrical talent, being able to get people to know what they're doing and putting together construction documents. So this will alleviate really that big burden in being able to model, to lay out, to put together construction documents, which otherwise just wouldn't be there. The building needs to get built one way or the other, and you kind of need power to do that. So this is, alleviating that time burden of other engineers and what they need to effectively produce, so they can spend some more time on design, or go home in a reasonable hour, or whatever else they want to do with that time that they're able to gain back from what we're able to produce for them. So that's a little bit about Cowabunga Studios. That's a little bit about our update, and thanks for tuning in.